The profit and loss statement gives you an insight into your business's income and expenses over a period of time. You can access your profit and loss statement by selecting Reports from the navbar on the left and then clicking Profit and Loss underneath Favorites. The profit and loss statement shows you how much money your business made and spent over the displayed period of time. At the top of the profit and loss statement, you see your business's income displayed right here, divided up in two different income accounts, so you can see your general revenue streams. Right here, you will also see your cost of sales. These are costs specifically for the production of goods that you sold or services that you charge your customers for. And then towards the bottom of the profit and loss report are your expenses. These are expenses for the general maintenance of your business, such as advertising, insurance, rent, and utilities. The profit and loss statement allows you to see your total income minus your cost of goods sold, and then also minus your expenses to display your net income. This figure is your profit or loss over the selected period of time. Now let's take a look at the balance sheet, which displays more detail regarding your business assets, liabilities, and equity. The balance sheet is accessed by going to Reports and then Balance Sheet. Scroll down to the bottom of the balance sheet to the Equity section. Here, under Net Income, we can see the exact same number that was displayed on the profit and loss statement before. So the end result of the profit and loss statement is also displayed on the balance sheet and the net income or profit of a business. It is used to calculate the growth in what the business is worth. Use the profit and loss statement to measure the basic profitability of your business. Now get started.